In this module, we're going to break down exactly what digital products are and why they've become one of the most profitable business models in the world. You'll learn what counts as a digital product, the key reasons they're so powerful, and how they give you leverage to earn income without trading your time. If you've ever wondered how people are making money online, selling downloads, templates, or online courses, this is where it all starts. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a digital product? A digital product is any item you can sell online that doesn't require shipping, handling, or manufacturing. It's not physical. It's not stored in a warehouse. It's created once and delivered instantly through a download, a link, or access to an online platform. Think ebooks, templates, Notion planners, online courses, digital journals, swipe files, stock photos, printables, PLR content, and so much more. These products live online, cost almost nothing to duplicate, and can be sold over and over again without restocking or inventory. Now here's why they're so profitable. When you sell a digital product, you're removing the biggest cost of most businesses: fulfillment. No packaging, no shipping, no materials, no delays. Just pure value delivered instantly. This means your margins are huge. You keep most of what you earn. You can price your product at $17 and still keep $16. You can sell it 10 times or 10,000 times without any extra work. That's the beauty of leverage. Once it's created and set up, the product works for you, not the other way around. And here's something else to think about. People are actively looking for digital solutions online every day. They're searching for planners, guides, tools, and shortcuts that save them time or help them reach a goal. Whether it's a fitness tracker, a budgeting spreadsheet, or a marketing template, someone out there needs what you can offer. That's why this business isn't just profitable. It's evergreen. You don't need to be an influencer. You don't need to go viral. You just need a digital product that solves a small problem and a simple way to sell it. In this course, you'll learn how to create or customize that product, where to sell it, and how to reach the right audience. Digital products are the key to building a business that isn't tied to your time, your location, or your limits. Let's explore what types of products you can sell and how to find the one that's right for you